Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Field Agent, and we're going to be seeing whether you can actually make money with Field Agent, and also whether it is worth your time to actually use Field Agent. So, without further ado, we're going to jump across, tell you all about it, how you're going to actually make the money, and also go into the back of Field Agent, into their website, and find out more about how it all works. And we're going to do that right now. Okay, so we've come on to the Field Agent website, and straight away it says you are a click away from stores, sales, and shoppers everywhere. Field Agent's on-demand retail success platform lets you audit stores, drive trials, and connect with shoppers instantly. Okay, so how does it actually work? So click on the how does it work here. So basically, obviously brands and shops and stores are obviously looking for feedback. They're looking for people to take trials of their products and also to give them reviews, etc. So you could be the person to actually go and do that. So all you need to do is obviously set up a free account with a payment option, and then you browse the core retail products, select a custom product, etc. Prompts on the screen, and then get actionable results within your interactive dashboard. Now you can obviously download the app as well, and we'll go into the app very shortly because that's going to be very important, especially if you're going to go into stores and do some product research inside stores. You might need to take photos, do a video, give insights, do a product trial, do ratings and reviews, and repurchase info with Field Agent. And the first way is to set up an actual account. We go across to the login button here and then click on create an account if you haven't already got one. So you need to then produce whether you are a client or an agent. So obviously you need to be an agent. Become a Field Agent, you get paid. Download the app from the Apple Store or from Google Play. Go across to Google Play itself and search for the app Field Agent app. As you can see, we've come up here and they've had actually a 1 million downloads plus, and they've also had 8,000 reviews, of which they've only got a 2-star rating, so that's not particularly brilliant. So if you want to find out more about the Field Agent, obviously check it out on Google Play, and obviously on iOS if you are going to be using it on the Apple as well. So as you can see, once you actually get into here, it shows you what products you've actually got, etc. But we haven't got anything running at the moment. You could obviously go across to the marketplace, and this actually shows you how you can actually go and find out what's going on. So you could obviously get an audit. So audits literally go into store. And as you can see here, this is the sort of thing you've got to do. You've got to display compliance, and you get $10 for that. You can obviously do a price check. You get $10.50 for that. On shelf availability, $10. Item checkup, $11. So as you can see, if you do get some of these jobs through, then you could actually earn quite a little bit of money on the side here. Trials are the same, so you will take a trial of a product, so buy and try, and these are even coming out a little bit higher. So this is a digital demo, which will be $20. Try and buy, $18 you're going to get for that. Retailer site rating and reviews, so you get $15 for that, etc. So again, if you were to do, if you did have enough coming through and you were to do 10, 20 of these in a month, then you would get a couple of $100 every single month coming into your account. So definitely worth signing up, seeing what work you actually get through, and obviously let us know in the comments whether you do get anything through, and obviously what country you are from when you sign up. So just so we can decipher whether it's better to be in certain countries than others. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.